In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your apps on QuickBooks Online. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure that you feel confident in managing your QuickBooks applications efficiently. Whether you're trying to tidy up your app integrations or just streamline your QuickBooks Online interface, disconnecting unused or unnecessary apps can help enhance your workflow. To start, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you'll notice a variety of tabs designed to help you navigate through your financial management tasks. Among these, you'll find the Apps option. Clicking on Apps will take you to a dedicated space where all your current applications are listed, along with additional options for app management. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll be directed to your Apps Overview tab. This is essentially your dashboard for all connected applications. It provides a comprehensive view, allowing you to see what integrations are currently active. Spend a moment here taking note of which apps you have connected. This overview will be particularly useful in helping you decide which app you might want to disconnect. Now, let's focus on the specific app that you want to disconnect. Find the app on this Overview tab, and you'll see several options for managing it. To proceed with disconnecting, look for a small icon featuring 3 dots. This icon typically sits near the app's listing. It's a marker signaling more options are available. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu tailored for app management. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Disconnect. Selecting this option will begin the process of removing the app from your QuickBooks Online account. QuickBooks might prompt you with a confirmation question, asking if you're sure about disconnecting the selected app. It's designed to ensure you don't accidentally remove apps that are still in use or needed. If you're confident that it's the right choice, go ahead and confirm your selection to complete the disconnection. And that's everything you need to know. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to efficiently manage your QuickBooks Online apps. Regularly reviewing and disconnecting apps you no longer use can help maintain an organized and effective QuickBooks dashboard. Ensuring your apps are up to date and accurate will not only streamline your workflow, but enhance your overall business management. If this video was helpful, make sure to check out our other QuickBooks Guide videos to further optimize your account. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day with QuickBooks Online.